What is going on, guys? Welcome to another video. So this is going to be an update of the things that I'm doing currently in affiliate marketing. So I have a YouTube channel and I'm documenting my journey doing this side hustle. So check this out. I promote this product. This is my affiliate dashboard. I have right now $71 in unpaid earnings. This company pays 40% recurring commission, and if I go to payouts, you can see my latest payments. For example, here I have $71, $75, $194. So I'm making commissions consistently every single month by promoting this product. So this is the product. As you can see, I bought it. So this is the high ticket product, this is the low ticket product, and I promote as well software. What is cool though about promoting these trainings from Jonathan Montoya, who is the creator of this product, of these products, is that when I send a referral, or if I send a lead to Jonathan, so basically if that person buys the 72-hour freedom challenge, I can make a commission for the low ticket product. If that same person buy the high ticket product, I can make that commission as well. And if they buy the software, which is funnel freedom, I can make monthly recurring commissions by promoting software. This is a funnel builder. So here we can utilize this software for marketing, so we can create our automation workflows, we can build our sites, the funnels, we can build our memberships for our own courses, and you can see we can do a lot of things with funnel freedom. Now, that being said, one of my main traffic source, guys, is YouTube, and I'm going to show you. So this is my YouTube channel. I have right now 1,549 subscribers, and as you can see, in the last week I have been posting regularly content, like doing lives, uploading YouTube shorts, and long form video. So here in this section I didn't upload any videos, and as you can see, if I upload content, so I start to grow faster my YouTube channel. So let me show you. One strategy that I'm utilizing is that I'm creating long form videos, and then I go to opposite click and I transform or convert those long form videos into short form. So basically I have here in the shorts tab, you're going to see that I have scaled a lot of YouTube shorts. For example, here I have all of these ones. So these are going to appear on my channel. For example, I have here 2 YouTube shorts for July 8th. I have 2 as well for July 9th and 2 for July 10th. So I'm utilizing this strategy, guys, because I have seen that if I upload, for example, more than 2, 3 or 4 videos per day, I have seen that I'm growing faster. So I'm gaining more subscribers, and also I'm getting more leads to my sales funnel. So this is the sales funnel that I'm utilizing, is inside of Funnel Freedom. So basically, I don't drive traffic to my affiliate links. I drive traffic to this sales funnel. And if you go to my YouTube, for example, here you are going to see my own domain. And when people click this domain, they will have access to, they will open this page, which is my opt-in page. So check this out. I have here this like diagram, and you can see basically I'm creating content on YouTube. So this is my main traffic source. So I have, for example, I'm getting customers from YouTube, and what I'm doing is that I'm driving traffic to my own opt-in page or my sales funnel, And so basically what it does, this opt-in page, is to collect the email of a prospect, and that is how I'm building my own email list. So, and I'm doing that by giving away a free course. So when someone opting in their information in my opt-in page, so when they click here, take the free course, and when they write their information, they will receive this free course through email. So that is like the first part. Then they will have access to the bridge page. Now let me show you the bridge page. I'm going to go to Funnel Freedom, and you can see right now I'm in sites and in funnels, and these are the funnel steps. For example, this one has 2 steps: the free course opt-in page and the bridge page. So I'm going to click on the bridge page, and then I'm going to show you the free course. So I'm going to open, this is the bridge page, and then I'm going to go to the members area, which is the free course. So this is my lead magnet. The lead magnet is something that I'm giving away for free in exchange for the email, and I'm going to open this page. So this is so these are the steps. So people go to my opt-in page, and when they write their information, they will go to my email list. They will have access to the bridge page, and then if they click the links inside of the bridge page, they will have access to my affiliate offer, which is the $70 challenge. So check this out. So this is the bridge page. As you can see here, it says your free course will arrive in your inbox shortly. Important, please watch. So when people click here, they will watch this video from Jonathan. So this is like 18 minutes video, and I have here these buttons. When it says get started today, I'm ready for a life change, and I have here another button, get started today. And so when people click those buttons, I'm going to click, so you can see it's going to open my affiliate offer. So this is my affiliate link, guys, and here people can read all the information about the $70 challenge, the price of the low ticket product. So this is a video from Jonathan. So basically this is my affiliate link, guys. And when people go here, basically when they click, for example, this button where it says get instant access for only $9, it's going to open a pop-up. So check this out. It's going to open this, and so basically, okay, so and when they write their information, their name and their email, I'm going to send to Jonathan or another referral. And if that person if they buy the low ticket, the high ticket, or the software Funnel Freedom, I can make that commission. So that is cool though about this ecosystem of products that Jonathan Montoya has created for his affiliates. So let me go here. So when people receive the first email, that email is going to be a welcome email with the course access. So I'm going to close this. Okay, this is the course that I'm giving away, and as you can see, it has 7 lessons. Part number 1, the best side hustle online to quit your job. Part number 2, the fastest way to quit your 9-to-5 job. And so when they scroll down, they will, for example, here they will read this information, they will watch the lesson, and check this out. This button, when they click it, they will go to my affiliate link for the $70 challenge. And basically, I'm utilizing this free course to promote products. For example, in lesson number 7, I'm promoting Funnel Freedom, which is the software, and I'm promoting Freedom Accelerator, which is Freedom Breakthrough 3.0. So if I go to lesson number 6, I'm going to scroll down. people will watch this video, and when they keep scrolling down, they will find more products. For example, get repurpose.io, get traffic from Udemy. So these buttons, when people click these buttons, they will be clicking my affiliate links. So that is the strategy that I'm utilizing, guys. So this is the funnel that I'm using. Is inside of Funnel Freedom. So this is a done for you system that I bought. And what I like about this system is that if I go to automation, I have all the email sequence ready to be sent to my email list. So as you can see, create this affiliate stacking ecosystem of products, it takes time, because with this system, I'm promoting multiple products, guys. I'm not just promoting the 72-hour challenge, Freedom Breakthrough, and Funnel Freedom. I'm going to show you right now. I'm promoting these products: Secrets of Success, System.io, Repurpose.io. So right now I'm in the Funnel Freedom tag, and here, this page is where I pasted my affiliate links for these products: Get a Response, Udemy, InVideo, TubeBuddy, vidIQ, and check this out. So these are the products that I promote with funnelfreedom.io. So I have the opt-in page. I have as well the lead magnet, which is the free course, and the email sequence, and the sales funnel. So basically that is the done for you system that I bought. And these are my results by promoting Freedom Breakthrough and the 72-hour challenge. As you can see, I have $71. And these are my affiliate links. But I don't drive traffic directly to these links. I drive traffic to the sales funnel to collect the email of the prospect. That is important, because once I have that information, I can promote multiple affiliate products. Basically, right now, I'm focusing on creating content regularly on my YouTube channel, and that content is helping me to reach an audience. And some people resonate with my own story. They click the links in the description of my YouTube videos, and when they write their information, they will start receiving all of the emails. So I'm going to scroll down so you can see I have here all these YouTube shorts, which are helping me to grow my YouTube channel. So I'm uploading YouTube shorts, I'm uploading long form videos, and as well I'm doing lives like this one. So that's it for this video, guys. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Also subscribe to my channel, click the notification bell. Talk to you soon, and God bless.